Okay, I've been trying to experiment with not only ramping the speed of a servo or some other motor, but also ramping the acceleration amount. And it's kind of hard to see acceleration being ramped up. And so I was going to use these NeoPixels from AdaFruit. They're NeoPixel Rings that AdaFruit sells. And I'm using them as kind of gauges for the different parameters that are controlling the servo. And as you can see, they're kind of hard to see on the video, but if I put a white piece of paper over the top of them, it makes them a little bit easier to see on the video camera. And so right now the propeller program is generating these parameters, but I don't have the servo connected right now. But I will connect the servo, and you can see watch how the servo responds to the different changes in parameters here. I'll wait for the speed to go to 0 and plug it in. So now we're at maximum speed. And then the acceleration changes both to increase the speed and to reduce the speed. And our theoretical distance just is always positive, and our speed is always positive, but our acceleration can go positive or negative. And I'll let you watch a couple cycles of this. And then I was experimenting with different gauge devices. And I thought, we have 3 colors, we have 3 gauges, but we also have 3 colors. What if we combined all 3 gauges into one and used a single gauge to show the acceleration, speed, and distance all together? And so that's what I did here. Okay, of course I haven't changed the parameters yet. I'm going to change the program. Okay, now this is the first gauge there on the left is outputting the combined readings of the previous output. So we don't have a distance one anymore here, but the distance shows up here as blue. Problem is, you know, the red and green combined appears yellow, but it's not intuitive to our brains that yellow is the same as red and green. And so even though the combined gauge I think looks cool, I think it has limited practical application. Now I have several other gauges I've been working with, but rather than make one long video, I decided I'll break it up into several smaller videos. And so that's pretty much all I want to show you right now with these gauges. Thanks for watching.